Welcome to Grade 8 TLE. Today we will tackle the Lesson 8. For content, the ICT as a tool in online marketing. For subtopic 1, we have the social media. Social media platforms offer a businesses a powerful way to connect directly with their target audience, build brand awareness, foster customer loyalty, and drive sales through strategic and engaging marketing activities. First, we have the Facebook. Facebook used to create business pages, post updates, and shares contents. Instagram. Known for its visual content, businesses use Instagram to share photos and videos of products or services, engage with followers. Twitter. Use Twitter to share real-time updates, news, promotions, and engage with customers through tweets, replies, and retweets. LinkedIn. Primarily a professional networking platform, businesses use LinkedIn to establish thought leadership, share industry insights, network with professionals. YouTube. Businesses use YouTube to create and share video content such as product demonstrations, tutorials, testimonials, and brand storytelling. TikTok. A platform for short-form video content, businesses use TikTok to create engaging and viral videos. Next, the subtopic 2, which is the social media or the content management system, a software applications that enables users to create, edit, manage, and publish digital content without requiring a specialized technical knowledge, such as programming or web development skills. The key features of CMS software is the content creations and editing, content organization, user management, publishing tools, extensions and plugins, and SEO analytics. For popular example of CRM software, first we have the WordPress, the most widely used CMS known for its flexibility, large selection of themes and plugins. Joomla, known for its advanced user management and extensibility. Drupal, highly flexible and scalable, often used for complex and large-scale websites. Wix, user-friendly website builder with drag-and-drop functionality. Squarespace offers elegant templates and is known for its ease of use and aesthetic appeal. Next, the search engine optimization or SEO. The search engine optimization refers to the practice of improving the visibility and ranking of a website or web page in the organic research of search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Significance of SEO in online marketing. Increase visibility and traffic. Cost-effective marketing. Enhance user experience. Building credibility and trust. Competitive advantage and target marketing. Long-term results. That's the end of our lesson.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.